Hi everyone, here's Abdul, and today we have another unboxing and a first impression video, and another Citizen Eco-Drive watch. I've been trying to find the perfect Eco-Drive watch for me. Still, the search continues. So this is the next one in the series that I am doing till the end of the year, which I'm trying to find the perfect Eco-Drive, the perfect wear it and go watch for under 150 euros. So by the way, I'm just trying to move it in. So this Citizen is an Eco-Drive. Oh, okay. Way to keep up there. Here we go. Eco-Drive diver with a Coke bezel. So the reference number of this watch is AW1527-86E. So as usual, the Japanese with their reference numbers, very long. It has a Eco-Drive caliber, I think J 810, 45 millimeters in diameters, as per their website. But we know that not always the website is right, so we better check this ourselves. And it's actually 45.7, and lug to lug is at 50.8, while thickness is at around 11 millimeters. It has a 20-meter lug width, actually 22 as you can see. So let's see. I'm wearing my Tudor. It has a 22 millimeter lug width. Put this up and let's open the strap and put it back up. And here we go. On my wrist I have a 17.1 centimeter wrist. It's a bit large, right? Because the other 44 millimeter Eco-Drive diver, the ProMaster, looked actually much smaller on the wrist. While it has a 44 millimeter lug diameter, it looked much smaller. This one is a big watch. Has a nice loom as expected from Citizen. As you can see on the loom pips on the indices, and you have even different looms on the inside. So at the 12, 3, 6, and 9 you have blue, and on the other ones you have green, and the hands are blue. I hope you can see that. Looks pretty cool. Looks like it's a fixed bezel. Yes, it is a fixed bezel, which is a shame because I really liked it. It's not a screw down crown, so that's another thing. The other thing I don't like is the very small date. I thought it would be a bigger than that. Yeah, I think this will be a short video. I won't even take it out of the bracelet because I don't like it at all. When I saw the pictures, it looked totally more like a diver. I felt like the bezel would be not a fixed bezel, because if you have a bezel like that, you shouldn't make it a fixed bezel. Then make it a smooth, make it something else other than a countdown bezel, because that's definitely something I don't. And also no screw down crown, and the big diameter. And as you can see, also it's a thick big watch. So if you like big watches, if you have a bigger wrist than me, if you like this kind of configuration, I think you would like it. It's like just under 150 euros. But for me, I don't like it. I'll put it back and send it back to them. And we'll continue my search to find the perfect Citizen Eco-Drive watch for me. So if you like this kind of content, do leave a like, also subscribe, hit the bell button as well. It does help a lot. Thank you a lot for watching. And if you're still watching, you might be interested in one of these videos. And of course, you can press the subscribe button here. See you in the next one. Bye bye.